do is teach her and be here for her. But her mother be the reason I can't even spoil her. She get mad and I can't even see my fucking daughter. This shit had me feeling like she taking breath from me. I be out, she calls a scene and I'm a fucking dummy. I swear this shit have a nigga feeling ultra bummy. I been here since day one when she was in tummy. Why would you take her from me? You know it's only one me. We only get one dad. Exchange the secrets our past. She makes your daddy get sad. Why would you put our daughter through the same shit? All my patience you take. Your loyalty you're so fake, and I be ready to break. Only so much I can take. Only the real can relate. How can the real become fake? How can you love me to hate me? Try to break me, ain't make me. You don't like me, can't take me. Sneak this and can't face me. All this cause you ain't me, and honestly cause you can't be. And I ain't even a saint. Ain't giving up cause I can't. You dropped a match in my tank. Gave and you took my pride. I always let that shit slide, but this time I'ma ride. Dry my eyes, wipe my tears. I swear this shit is getting clear. That my baby girl here, you gon' have to disappear. But she can't live without you. I can't live without her, so your trust is a must. Baby streets are enough. This ain't it, that ain't us. Yeah, we fuss and we fight, but we can try to get it right. It can't happen overnight, and I be trapping overnight, trying to get my money